Yeah, I did this real quick fast.
Man, I was through with it.
I was through with it. Through with it. You only do this style when you trying to be through with it real quick, so you can run down there to the store and grab your peaches. If cousin can figure out a way to crochet, big baby, I'm gonna figure out a way to crochet. This is our beloved GOGO curl, but it's got the braided roots. You see, I used a cap, a crochet cap, and I used the express crochet method, the modified way where you have to make your own little faux braids. Like I did the last one. I put it all together and put a bow on it. Hold on, let me take these glasses off, Chad, because I did my face too. What you have to understand is this GOGO curl hair is soft with a big old T, the long way at the end. Yes, this hair is very soft. If you like GOGO curl like I like GOGO curl, and you like to crochet it in and not have to worry about it slipping and sliding with the open loop, get you the braided loop like I have, the braided root GOGO curl kind. Get you that kind. That way you can have GOGO curl and it won't take all day. Isn't that what we're all trying to do? Install GOGO curl hair without it taking all day? Isn't it, guys? Yeah. There are 8 bundles in one pack. Now, every piece of those 8 bundles is in my head. Do with that information what you will. In the realm of domologies, mine is small. When I use every last piece of a pack, I always recommend 2, because honestly I wanted to fill in some more. You can't tell because his hair is curly, but I would have liked to. I got by. It looks phenomenal, but that's what I would recommend, okay? It's pre-looped. Okay, it is pre-looped. You don't have to worry about loops. This is not slip and slide records. It's not. You think it is, it's not. Easy to install. Saves so much time. That's true. That's true. Premium fiber. That is also true, baby. This hair feels wonderful. It does. That's really all I came here to tell y'all. GOGO curl is always going to be fly. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that, okay? So grab a hold of this. They do have gray. A lot of my gray cousins be like, I be loving these styles, but they don't ever have gray. They have it. Ooh, and it's a pretty gray too. They got what you're looking for. That's what I'm saying to you. Okay, so I'm gonna get you to the demo, but that's what this is. Very, 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 very quick.
Put you on a little episode of People's Court, be through with it, okay?
Hit the subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. I gotta go, y'all. I'll see you when I see you.
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. With us nothing moves forward. It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we stayed together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, are we thinking this through? If we're not meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me what shall we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it.